Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Shop. You all are very well. Thank you so much for your support, help, understanding. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful pure handloom exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful color also. 16JN1 is sari code, 3600 is sari price. Very beautiful one. Premium quality pure handloom cotton with beautiful weaving design, charka cotton with beautiful weaving pattern. Very nice one. This one is ikat pattern and fully poitani pattern weaving design border. Pure handloom charka cotton with ikat and poitani pattern weaving border, contrast border. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving floral buta design. This one is beautiful hand weaving buta, and this one is full base part, pure handloom charka cotton, beautiful weaving poitani pattern weaving border. Very nice one. This one is full base part, contrast border. One portion is blue, one portion is pink contrast border. Very beautiful, elegant look, soft, lightweight, obviously summer friendly. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving design. Very nice one, beautiful border pattern and highlighted stripes on pallu part with beautiful fine weaving design. Pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful contrast border, poitani pattern weaving border. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest the silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4,400 for your exclusive smart 20 looks. This one also very beautiful, elegant, also bright looks. 16JN2 is sari code, 2500 is sari price. Very nice one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk with golden zari border and full base part is beautiful sequin stripes. This one is full base part, gray shade, golden zari border and full base part is beautiful sequin stripes. Very elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk. This one is full base part, sequin stripes, and this one is pallu part, muslin pallu with beautiful weaving buta. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful multicolor weaving floral buta. Very nice one, bright, beautiful looks. This one is full base part is sequin stripes, pure handloom cotton silk. This one soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is full piece. Very elegant, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2,900 for your beautiful, smart, elegant looks. This one also very beautiful, bright, soft, comfortable one, summer friendly. 16JN3 is sari code, 1900 is sari price. Very nice one, beautiful one, bright color, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab with silver zari border with beautiful badhni print. This one is full base part, beautiful badhni print, silver zari border, and this one is badhni print. Very nice one, fully hand badhni. And this one is border pallu part, golden zari, silver zari stripes with beautiful badhni print border. Very beautiful, elegant looks. This one is full base part, very bright one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material with badhni print. Very exclusive, bright one. This one is running blouse piece, black shaded, and this one is full base part. Very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And I will suggest this synthetic material brocade work, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, smart, bright looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2,100 for your elegant looks, bright, elegant. This one also beautiful one, pure muslin jamdani. 16 JN4 is saree code 4900 is a saree price. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, beautiful color, yellow, light yellow shaded with bright golden zari border, and full base part is jamdani buta. This one is border portions, bright golden zari border, pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, golden and silver zari weaving jamdani buta. This one is full base part, transparent. This one is golden zari border, bright border, golden zari, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful golden and silver zari weaving jamdani work. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part, very elegant sober looks. This one is full base part, beautiful one. Beautiful golden and silver zari fully hand weaving jamdani buta, and this one is full base part, bright golden border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very nice one, beautiful color. And I will suggest this silk material, checks with golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5400 for your exclusive bright beautiful looks, beautiful party looks. And this one also very nice one, 16JN5 is saree code 2700 is saree price. Very nice work, bright color, black shade with Dhakai Jamdani, Resham, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani with embroidery and applique work. Very beautiful one. This one is border portions. This one is applique border and with beautiful embroidery design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, black base Dhakai weaving buta, and this portion is fully embroidery design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is pallu part. Pallu also fully embroidery design. Very beautiful, elegant looks. This one is full base part, black base, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, and beautiful embroidery floral design. Very exclusive one. This one is full base part, and this one is bright border and pallu. This one is beautiful pallu, fully embroidery design, very colorful also. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, stripes pattern work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3400 for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. Very beautiful one, beautiful color, exclusive collections. 16JN6 is saree code 6800 is a saree price. Beautiful color, pure handloom hand spun matka with Resham silk sequin stripes, full base part, and this one is pleat section, beautiful shivori dye, contrast color, silk sequin stripes with beautiful shivori dye. This one is pleats. Very exclusive one. This one is pleat section, silk sequin, pure Resham with silk sequin stripes, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pleat section, and this one is base part, silk Resham stripes with silk sequin design. This one is upper part, Resham, pure Resham stripes with beautiful silk sequin design. This one is Resham stripes. This one is hand spun matka, pure handloom hand spun matka, and this one is very beautiful one, pure Resham with beautiful Jamdani buta, silver zari Jamdani with golden touch. Very exclusive one, beautiful Jamdani weaving buta and full pallu part, beautiful silk sequin stripes. Very nice one. This one is full base part, Resham stripes, silk sequin stripes, and this one is pleats. Beautiful color combination, shivori dye with beautiful silk sequin stripes. Very nice one, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7200 for your exclusive elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, beautiful elegant color also. 16JN7 is saree code, 5300 is saree price. Let me open. Very exclusive one, pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, and full base part is golden zari weaving polka design. This one is beautiful color. This one is golden zari premium quality fine golden zari border, and this one is beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is full base part beautiful polka weaving design. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving bright red shaded floral with golden zari weaving hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is beautiful pallu in stripes, sequence stripes, and this one is full base part pure muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is full base part transparent, and this one is beautiful hand weaving work. Very exclusive one, beautiful color, navy blue gray shade, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, but beautiful elegant color. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree, maroon shade contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5900 for your exclusive bright beautiful looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful elegant looks, pure handloom charka cotton, 16JN8 is saree code, 3600 is saree price. Beautiful color combinations of white base, cream shade of white base with contrast border, and full base part is beautiful fine hand weaving buta design. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, very elegant looks, beautiful in the middle of the border fine stripes design, and this one is full base part fine weaving buta design, beautiful weaving buta, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving buta, fully hand weaving design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fine weaving design stripes pattern with beautiful weaving design pallu, very exclusive one, fine weaving design, really hand weaving, beautiful elegant one. This one is full base part contrast border, middle of the border highlighted stripes line, very exclusive one, and fine weaving buta, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, this one is full base part, and this one is beautiful weaving pallu, fully hand weaving design, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving work, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive elegant looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart elegant looks. And also very beautiful bright one, pure handloom natural fabric linen with beautiful jamdani design and checks design, very exclusive one. 16JN9 is saree code, 4700 is saree price, very beautiful one, bright red shade golden zari border, and full base part is silver zari checks, very nice one. This one is full base part natural fabric lien by lien, this one is golden zari border, and this one is beautiful jamdani fully hand weaving jamdani design natural fabric lien by lien, and this one is base part beautiful checks silver zari checks, very exclusive one, soft lightweight comfortable smart looks. This one is full base part silver zari, upper portion is silver zari stripes, and this one is border portions golden zari with fully hand weaving jamdani design, very exclusive smart looks. And this one is running blouse piece checks, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully jamdani design hand weaving jamdani work pallu, very exclusive one, highlighted silver zari stripes end part, and this one is full base part silver zari stripes golden zari border, and full border portions beautiful jamdani design, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5200 for your exclusive trendy bright elegant looks. And this one also, you know, very nice one, elegant one, exclusive collections. 16JN10 is sari code 5900 is sari price. Very nice one, pure handloom hand spun matka. Full base part is plain with golden zari border. This one is, you know, beautiful color. This one is full base part, pure handloom hand spun matka. This one is golden zari border, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, pure handloom one. This one is full base part, plain with border, and this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, and this one is full base. Very exclusive one. And this one is pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with beautiful jamdani design, tribal art pattern jamdani design, and the design weaving by pure gicha silk. Very exclusive one. This one is gicha silk weaving jamdani design, fully hand weaving tribal art pattern jamdani design, and this one is full base. Base is plain, golden zari border, and this one is resham pallu with gicha silk weaving jamdani. Very exclusive combinations, very nice one, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material with Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price is 6400 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There have many beautiful collections you can make online order through our website also. All over India, we have free shipping, cash on delivery. And this one also, you know, very bright, beautiful, smart looks. 16JN11 is sari code 4900 is sari price. Very nice one, beautiful, bright color, and half matka and half muslin, half matka, half muslin. Muslin is transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight. This one is muslin part, upper part transparent with beautiful hand weaving jamdani, put a fully hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, beautiful rose pattern jamdani work, very floral work, very exclusive one. And this one is half part is matka. This one is matka part, and this one is upper part muslin, and muslin part is transparent with beautiful hand weaving rose pattern jamdani design, floral design, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu, and pallu also same beautiful one, fully hand weaving design, highlighted golden zari lines, and this one is jamdani work, very exclusive one, half matka, half muslin, and this one is beautiful weaving design, and half is matka. This one is matka, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 5100 for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. And you know, today I have did a beautiful saree, beautiful color also, maroon shade, bright brownish maroon shade with beautiful silver zari weaving design, heavy weaving design, tribal art pattern weaving design, silver zari border, and this one is bottom portions, beautiful work, and base is linen by cotton with silver zari weaving work. And this one is, you know, pallu part. This one is border portion, this one is pallu part, beautiful silver zari tribal art pattern weaving design, fully hand weaving work. 4200 is saree price, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.